I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need to confirm a few essentials and then begin. First, make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID across devices, otherwise your photos won't show. Once done, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud Photos and confirm iCloud Photos is on. Make sure you have enough iCloud storage and a stable Wi-Fi connection so full-resolution images can sync. After that, open the Photos app to see whether the images are already available or still waiting to download. Now confirm whether the photos are in an iCloud backup or managed by iCloud Photos. Go to Settings, tap your name, iCloud, then Manage Storage and Backups. Select the specific device backup to view included data. If the backup lists photos, those images are stored inside that backup snapshot rather than in iCloud Photos. If photos aren't listed, they are likely synced through iCloud Photos. Make sure you understand which method holds your files, because the recovery steps differ. Finish by choosing the correct recovery path. If your photos are in an iCloud backup, backup current data, then erase the iPhone Settings General Transfer or Reset Erase all content and settings and restore from the desired iCloud backup during setup. If they're synced via iCloud Photos, open Photos and let the app download originals. Make sure Optimize Storage isn't hiding full files. If something goes wrong, try toggling iCloud Photos off and on after a restart. Check iCloud com for the images or contact Apple support for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.